Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your Canon PIXMA MX522 printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Canon PIXMA MX459 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should say Canon support for PIXMA MX459. Should be on a Canon domain here. Go ahead and select that. And then on this page, you want to scroll down underneath downloads and expand the software and drivers section. Scrolling down again underneath downloads, you want to select the My Printer file and then download. And then once it's downloaded, go ahead and run it to open it. And it should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. And then you want to follow along with the on-screen prompts here, selecting the correct country and region, as well as accepting the end user license terms, and then just let this install. And then if you want to create a desktop shortcut, you can. And if you happen to open that up, you can see there's additional printer options in here, especially if you are having issues connecting to the printer. You can select diagnose and repair printer and then walk through on-screen directions on how to hopefully troubleshoot those common issues. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.